Okay, so here in this first audio clip, you'll hear a sound that was recorded by a lady by the name of Dorothy Williams, and I think it was back in the 90s. She had an animal hanging around her property in the Dandenongs and managed to grab this.
Hi, my name is Alex Evans, and I'm a sponsor of one of To-Go's game cameras. We've already got some really neat stuff, 2 audio bits that I think you'll find so interesting.
Another thing that happened, I was out camping with Susan Frame only recently in the group, and we were in a spot where I'd heard some yips once before when I was out camping there, and we picked up some sounds, and I'm going to play them for you now. It goes quiet for a while, but then it kicks back in a little bit later. A bit further away. Make your mind up for yourself, but I think we're onto something there. We're going to hit that area with some cameras pretty hard over the next round of distribution of the cameras.